Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. If you are preparing for CTET Feb 2026 and you are thinking पेपर आता है बट टाइम खत्म हो जाता है, एग्जाम हॉल में माइंड ब्लैंक हो जाता है, कौन से सेक्शन पहले सॉल्व करे समझ नहीं आता, then this video is only for you. In this video, I will tell you exactly how to solve CTET paper smartly, best exam hall strategy, time management trick for 150 questions, and how to attempt CTET paper like top scores. So, watch this video till the end because one right strategy can change your result. Understand CTET paper pattern. First of all, understand one thing clearly. CTET 150 questions, 150 minutes. That means one question, 1 minute. But in reality, all questions are not equal. Some take 10 seconds, some take 2 minutes. So we use a smart 3-round strategy. The golden 3-round strategy. Round 1, easy and sure questions. First 50 to 60 minutes, start the paper calmly. Solve only those questions you know the answer instantly. No calculation, no confusion. Don't think more than 30 seconds per question. Target attempt 70-80 questions in a round first. Do not waste time. Do not overthink. Round second, medium level questions. Next 50 to 60 minutes. Now go for questions where you need little thinking. PYQ based concepts, logical elimination. Max time per question 1 to 15 minutes. Target attempt 40-50 questions in round second. By now, you have already attempted 110 and 120 questions. Round 3, tough and confusing questions. Last 20-30 minutes. Now open all skips questions. Use option elimination. Intelligence guessing. CTET has no negative marking. Even if you are 50% sure, attempt it because no negative marking, no loss. Final target, attempt all 150 questions confidently. Section wise time management. You can follow this save time division. Child development and pedagogy 30 minutes. Language 1 20 minutes. Language 2 20 minutes. EVS math, social science 60 minutes. Revision and review 20 minutes. Adjust according to your strong subject. Biggest mistake to avoid in exam hall. Don't start with your weakest subject. Don't get stuck on one question. Don't panic if your paper looks lengthy. Don't leave questions unattempted. No negative marking. Remember, CTET is not a hard exam. It's a smart exam. Last 5-minute exam hall power trip. Keep OMR filling neat and timely. Recheck question number versus option. Drink water. Stay calm. Positive self-talk. I am prepared. I can do this. If you follow this strategy plus calm mindset, I promise you CTET paper will feel easy and manageable. Comment below CTET 2026 clear and your target score also if you are serious in a CTET exam. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to Archana's Teaching Hub. See you in the next video. Till then, study smart, not hard. All the best for your exam.